In this video, we demonstrate how to install a new license on the Spectrum V6 analyzer. You will receive a license file with the ending .rtsa key. Download this file to a known directory on the C drive of the PC, for example, the Downloads folder. Next, start the RTSA software. At the top of the window, open the Tools menu. Select License Manager. In the License Manager, verify that the V6 analyzer appears with the correct serial number. At the bottom of the window, click the Import Files button. In the File dialog, navigate to the directory where the key file was saved, such as Downloads. Highlight the key file, for example, Spectran_V6_00023.xcaaa_keys_c.rtsa key. Click Open. A dialog appears to indicate the import status. In the demonstration, the message reads, "No new licenses or keys were imported." That's because the licenses are already installed. In a typical case, the dialog will confirm that a new license has been imported. Click OK to close the dialog. Close the License Manager window. Then open the File menu. Select Restart RTSA. After the RTSA software restarts, the newly imported license key is available. For more information, check out our other videos on our YouTube page or visit eroniausa.com. And if you have ideas for other videos you'd like to see, leave us a comment below.